Hello friends, today's recipe is pumpkin bread or kaddu bread. Autumn season has started and the two things that come in our mind in autumn is the different color of tree leaves and big pumpkin for Halloween. We will be using the same pumpkin for our bread. So let's start the recipe. But before that, subscribe my channel if not done till now. For making any bread, the first step is to activate yeast. Here I have taken 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now mix yeast and sugar together in water and keep it aside in warm place for 10 minutes. Now we will be making pumpkin puree. For that, here I have cut my pumpkin into two parts. I will be requiring only half part. After cutting the pumpkin, remove the seeds with the help of spoon. Now cut this half pumpkin into more smaller parts because we will be requiring to cook the pumpkin. Remember to not peel the pumpkin because once we cook it, the hard cover will also become soft. Now take the pumpkin in a pan and add some water till it is fully covered. Allow the pumpkin to cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now our pumpkin is cooked. We will be keeping it aside until it cools down. Now make the puree in the mixer. So our puree is now ready. So now let's make the dough. For making pumpkin bread dough, take 250 gram of maida and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it properly and now add our pumpkin puree. Here I have taken 200 gram of pumpkin puree. Mix the puree properly with the flour. After all the ingredients are mixed properly, now we will be adding our activated yeast. Mix everything properly. There should be no lump formation in the dough. So now our dough is properly mixed and is ready. Cover the dough properly and keep it aside for 2 hours at warm place. After 2 hours, we can see that our dough is fermented. Its size is almost double. Now take a wooden spatula and mix again properly. Take a bread mold. It can be of glass or aluminium. Keep the baking paper at bottom and on sides. Now pour the dough mixture in the mold up to 60%. Tap it for 2 to 3 times. Now if you want, you can add pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds on the top and cover it again. Keep it at warm place for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the cover and keep in the preheated oven for 180 degrees centigrade for 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, our bread is now ready. Remove it from the oven and apply water on the top. Our bread is now ready to be served. Enjoy the bread with soup or in the breakfast with butter and tea or coffee. You can see how soft and moist our bread has came out. Enjoy this autumn the lovely recipe of bread with your friends and family, and if you like the video, press the like button and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to write me in the comment box which other recipe you want me to make. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye.